guys, so today I am doing a video on Pamela Anderson. This is the hairstyle that I'm inspired by. This is the makeup that I'm inspired by. I did have another wig that I was going to wear for this video, and it was by James Mansfield Beauty, but it just wasn't doing it for me. Like the color was a little off, and it looked very fake, and I didn't think I had any wigs that resembled Pamela's hair, so I was going through some photos and I found this wig and the hair that I showed you guys. I was gonna do barbed wire hair, so that's why I wanted like the bangs, but I'm sorry, I was gonna do barbed wire hair, not barbed wire. The movie's called Barbed Wire. But nevertheless, that was not the route that I decided to take. So I really love Pamela's look. I think she's beautiful. I think she's very intelligent. I do have some opposing views with her, which is totally okay. One of the things that I enjoy is, even though I may have a different view from someone, I can still enjoy their makeup, their hair, you know, things like that. I've met a lot of people who are religious, and that might not be something that I am interested in, and I might have I have quite a few opinions on it, but you know, if you're nice to me and if you're not hurting anyone at the end of the day, although I do understand that celebrities' opinions tend to hurt people, so it's kind of a weird dichotomy to be part of, but regardless, I wanted to show this beautiful Pamela Anderson makeup look because I love her hair and her makeup. This is very simple. This is just curled, brushed out, and then flipped over to the side, and then we'll get into the makeup, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye! Alrighty, guys, so as always, starting with P. Louise base on the eyes. And then I'm going to go ahead and go into the Juvia's Place, the Grays palette, this little mini. I'm using the color in the top left first, and I just wanted to lay something down for the color in the bottom right to blend over. So I'm going ahead and putting that in the crease, and then I am blending it out a little bit, not too much right now. Then I will be using the Feedblack paint by P. Louise. That's Feedblack. So yeah, I'm using that on the lid, and I am using thin layers of that. That's this product here. Using thin layers of that to build it up. It's a matte black eye paint, essentially. It's really, really gorgeous. So I really like that. And then I am blending that with the darker gray color. And like I said, thin layers, building it up. So this is me blending the paint, and then I'm going to go ahead and go into the Sample Beauty Paradigm Shift palette. I'm using the white from the Sample Beauty palette, and I'm going to use the black from the Sample Beauty Paradigm Shift palette on my finger, and then I'm going to use the dark gray in the Juvia's Place palette to blend that out. I like using a black base because it really intensifies whatever black shadow you're going to use. Although I do really like the Paradigm Shift palette. Then I'm using the white from the Paradigm Shift palette on my inner corner. And I also use that to blend out the brow bone as well too. This is the P. Louise metallic paint in Your Glowin. I really love this product. I want to buy the rest of the metallic paints. I'm not sure if they're ever going to come out with more colors. It kind of seems like they're not gonna, but maybe I'm wrong. And then I'm blending that with the darker gray color from the Juvia's Place palette, and on the lid, blending that with the Sample Beauty palette. Doing that on the opposite side, of course. Then I'm going to be using over top of it the e.l.f. Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Bling Bling. All product names are down below, of course, as always. This is a really easy product to work with, and it was very comfortable. I didn't find it flaking too much at all. So I'm just blending out the P. Louise base and then going over it with the e.l.f. base. And when I say blending out the P. Louise base, I more so mean taking the colors over top of the base a little bit, you know? So this is the Juvia's Place Concealer on top of the Catrice Prime and Fine. And then I'm using the Kimchi Chic Beauty The Most Concealer for the white parts that are like super bright. And then over top of that, I'm using the Kimchi A Really Good Foundation. I prefer to highlight very dramatically and then go over top of it with foundation. I just think that that always looks nice, and I love a bright white under eye. So this is the foundation, the Kimchi foundation. I'm just going ahead and blending that all over. And then I use the Made by Mitchell Melon Sorbet Blursh. And then I am using the Colourpop, or no, I think it's Soul Body. Yeah, it's the Soul Body Medium Dark Face and Body Bronzing Balm. So this is the Melon Sorbet Blursh. The Blursh is a really unique formula. It's very interesting to work with. I'm excited to use more of them. I bought a ton of them, so. And this is the Soul Body Bronzing Balm. And then I'm using over top of that, kind of in between the Melon Sorbet and the Soul Body, is a Shy Boy Blursh Made by Mitchell. I wanted to kind of play some more with them, and I really liked it. And then I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder to lighten up the contours in some places. And then I set my face, and I'm going back in with the Physicians Formula Butter Dream Team Face Palette, the matte bronzer. And then I'm using the matte blush in that palette, as well as the blush in the Muru Butterglow face palette. Now I'm using Colourpop Flexitarian highlighter, always a fave, and the Urban Decay On Later setting mist, or setting spray, with the Danessa Myricks Inlight in Ice and Light, with the Makeup Revolution Renaissance eyeliner, using light on the cheek and then ice to point highlight, so to speak. And then the Benefit They're Real mascara, as well as the Jackie Megiddo black eyeliner pencil. And then putting some of that Sample Beauty Paradigm Shift black shadow underneath my eye to smoke it out. Putting on the Crown Case brown colored pencil. There's not a name for it. And then I went over it with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, as well as the Colourpop So Juicy, one of the lip glosses. But I wiped off the lip gloss, and I ended up putting on the Tardiest Lip Paint in Birthday Suit. I found that that looked pretty and did the job. So yeah, guys, I forgot to film an outro, but I really hope you guys enjoyed. That's the final look. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!